I made it. Alexa, turn off the music. I'm super excited about tonight, guys, because today I get to link up with the first Cam brand ambassador, and we linked up at the Kais Omar event when I first met him, and we just vibed. He's got major drip, and I'll throw his Instagram up right here. Dude's got major drip, and I thought he'd be a great fit to be an ambassador for the brand. Like, he's bringing in by his guy Dennis, and Dennis, I'll throw his Instagram up right now. He's a photographer, so I'm super excited to link up with him as well. Hopefully we get to take some dope pictures, because I did bring a new design concept sort of for Cam, and I'm super excited to show up you guys and get their opinion on everything. Hopefully we get some good content in today, guys. My camera is about to die. It's at 18%. We might not get too much of video content, but hopefully we get a lot of pictures and stuff like on our phone. So let's catch up when I get there. Guys, what do you think? Should I cop this? Should I cop this? Look at that. Wear it with the original Cam brand, the Cam logo. I should cop this just for that. Yo, what's going on, fellas? How are you, man? Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. We're wearing the same thing. We're literally wearing the same thing. Yeah, literally. Sick.
I forgot that I popped. Man, this is fun.
So you try it out. Get you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, electronics are out, shoes are off. Good deal.
Guys, I made it. I made it! Alrighty, guys, so I made it. Crazy story. So I want to get out of the weather a little bit from Chicago, so I booked a last minute flight to Phoenix. Super cheap flight, and I couldn't complain. This is my first time like parking, like leaving my car at Chicago O'Hare, and I had no idea where I was going. I was super lost, and I thought I was going to miss my flight, but thank goodness I made it like with a couple minutes to spare. I'm out here in AZ now, so, you know, get to catch up with some old friends, old pals, get to enjoy the weather a little bit. It's about 70 degrees out right now, and that's a lot better than negative 23 in Chicago. So I'm here for the weekend, and that's it. But just to give me a chance to kind of recalibrate mentally, kind of get a taste of what I want in the future, and that's to move back to Arizona when I'm 24, around there. And I just love Arizona, man. Arizona is so sweet. Treating me so well. The weather's always nice. People are friendly. Women are beautiful. I can't complain. We're gonna meet up with Jager. You guys seen Jager in one of my past videos. He's picking me up today. Gonna take me to one of our buddies' house where I'm gonna crash at, and I will catch up with you guys when I'm outside. Guys, so when I left Chicago, it was negative 23, and in Phoenix right now, 65 fucking degrees. How excited I am to see this number right now. We're gonna wait for Jager. He's about to pull up, and we'll go from there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Jig. Moon. Yo, pulling up in the Jeep. Lift that lever up. Going up to the vlog, man. What's up? How's it going on? Oh my fuck. Alrighty, guys. So as you guys could see, I went to Arizona and I came back from Arizona pretty quickly. I was in Arizona for about a day and a half, not really too long, but it was an $85 flight, so I cannot complain whatsoever. Now, if you guys notice something a little different, I have something in front of me, and it's a microphone I just picked up today, actually, to obviously upgrade the sound quality in my videos to make it more enjoyable for you guys sitting on the other side of the screen. Now, going into Arizona, what I did a little bit, I missed Arizona so much that I didn't even bring my camera out. Like, I literally left it in the bag at my buddy's house, and then I was gone the entire day, running around, hanging out with friends, doing things, hiking, just doing cool shit around Arizona, and just enjoying myself, and really just kind of recalibrating a little bit mentally, you know, looking at what I really wanted in the future and what I really want for myself later on in life, and, you know, just kind of reminisce a little bit as well. I, you know, went to my old apartment, walked it a little bit, and just really jogged back some memories, good memories and bad. And, you know, just a really good time just to keep for myself. You know, it was just me, myself, and I hung out with a couple of buddies. I mean, I crashed here and there and did my own thing. And it was just a really cool experience overall. And I really, really missed Arizona. And I think I'm going to be taking frequent trips out there, especially if they're $85 flights. I'm going to go every single time. Now, that's going to do it for this video, guys. It was kind of like 3 videos in one a little bit. I didn't upload it all after the first video of January. It's Super Bowl Sunday, so hopefully I get to see freaking Tom Brady on his ass all day. But let's be honest, he's the GOAT, and it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. That's going to do it for me, guys. I wish you guys the best of luck and everything. If you guys like the content, please hit that subscribe button right now, as well as hit that notification button and a thumbs up button, because it does help the channel out a ton. Guys, look out for the new unboxing for this microphone right in front of me here that I'll be posting later on this week, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. On the road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Join the cam fam right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.